with an unboxing video. This time is on iRobots, the very newest version. It's called iRobot Roomba. Without further ado, let's check it out. Already broke the seal right there. This is the Roomba 985 by iRobots. Item number right there, 1244999. Robot vacuum, robot aspire, blah blah blah. Got this through Costco with $100 off. This is the bottom of the box. It's Wi-Fi enabled, Google Play, Roomba 985, and that is the bottom of the vacuum. By the way, retail is $5.99. I got it $100 off. That is the front of the box. That's how it looks like on top. Again, that's how it looks like on the bottom. Oops, that's a great idea. Anyways, let's open up the box. Right on top of the box, they have that foam, and that is the iRobots. Pretty self-explanatory. Really simple packaging. Box, foam, and robot itself. Let's take it out. Right underneath there, he has this right here. Basically, this is to cover that right there. Anyways, what else? Another foam to cover that. This is the charger. These two metal pin goes to that. That's how we charge the system. And this right here is the ER receiver, where it communicate with the iRobot itself. Let me see, what is this? iRobot Roomba. See the charger, you plug it in. So basically put it by the wall plug, let it do something. Step 1. Step 2, which is it's take this out. Take this out. Step 3, put that thing, the Roomba in the charger. Step 4, let it charge for 3 hours. Step 5, download this thing from the App Store. Step 6, press clean. So basically, when you get this thing, you still gotta charge it for 3 hours. Once it's charged, just press clean and voila. See, look right now, still dead, nothing. Underneath it, it says owner's manual, blah blah blah. Right on top, you see that gear and the plug. This is for the charger, I'm sure, and everything else. Okay, what's this? This is 10 feet. Oh, that's pretty cool. This is sensor zone, where, look at the picture. So if you have like dog food and stuff like that, you don't want the iRobot goes through there. This basically is a force field. There you go. It's like a force field where it covers 4 feet wide and then surrounded. right there. Or if you don't want the robot to go to a certain area, this thing can block it straight. That's pretty cool. Let's explain it why it's $600. An extra filter, AA battery, the actual plug for that, right there. And that's it. Nothing else underneath there. It's me, G-Spec. All done with this unboxing video to my brand new iRobot 985. Got it from Costco, my local Costco warehouse. $5.99 with $100 off. All right, I'm gonna charge it and I will show you a video later how this thing works. I like this thing. This is like a force field. So if I have area that I don't want the robot to vacuum or butter, just put this thing there and that should be good. All right, stay tuned for more unboxing video. Oh, got a lot of shoe that I need to do. I'm talking about like a lot of shoe that I need to review. As you can see, the flooring of my house is different because we are blessed to get a new house. That's the reason why you have not seen me post any. Hold on a second.